Today I'm reviewing this 28x optical zoom camera lens for mobile phones. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. We got an adjustable lens clip, a lens cover if you want to take a look through the lens with your eye, a phone holder, a cool looking phone stand, a small storage bag with instructions, and the lens inside. The lens itself is made of plastic, so it's lightweight. The only thing I noticed that it's a bit tricky to adjust the lens, so you'll need some practice. Here's how I set everything up. First, I attach the lens clip to my phone's main camera and tighten the screw so it stays in place. Then I screw on the lens. I tried it with my Samsung A52. Here's a quick comparison. Without the lens, the zoom isn't great, it looks really bad. But with the lens, the zoom is really clear and not pixelated. The lens works well, but it does take some patience to focus properly. Also, a tip, always shoot with the sun behind you, not in front. Shooting against the sun can cause glare and make your video look washed out. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you decide if this lens is right for you. Peace.